Today, we're learning 5 simple tips that can help children share. Sharing takes practice, and these gentle strategies make it easier for little learners. Tip number 1, use your words. Children often need simple scripts to help them speak up kindly. When you model phrases like your turn, then my turn, or can I have a turn when you're done? Hearing these words often help children feel confident using them. Tip number 2, try a timer. Waiting feels much easier when children can see that there's an ending. A sand timer, a kitchen timer, or even counting together helps make turn taking predictable and calm. Tip number 3, practice during calm moments. Practice during calm moments. Children learn best when they're relaxed. Use dolls, stuffed animals, or pretend play to show what sharing looks like before big feelings show up. Tip number 4, offer choices while waiting. Waiting is hard, so giving children something to do helps. You might say, while you wait, you can read a book, draw, or play with this toy. Busy hands make calmer hearts. Tip number 5, celebrate the share. A smile, a high five, or a simple thank you for sharing goes a long way. Children repeat the behavior that feels good and get noticed. Sharing is a skill that grows over time. With practice, patience, and gentle guidance, children learn how to take turns, wait, and care for others. Thanks for watching Read, Make, Learn with Miss Stephanie. If these tips help your little one, take a moment to like, share this video. For more inclusive stories and strategies, share this with another parent, teacher, or caregiver. And I would love if you explore more of my gentle-minded books by Stephanie Campbell. I have one coming out fall 2026 called Alex and the Dancing Letters. But for now, you can order on Amazon, Barnes & Nobles, or wherever books are sold. My Big Suitcase of Emotions, The Little City Girl Meets the Suburbs, 3 Friends Living in a Country Garden. Your support helps bring more neurodiverse affirming stories to families and classrooms everywhere. Again, thanks for watching.